Trump's approval takes hit after failed GOP healthcare plan. President Trump's approval rating is falling in the wake of the GOP's failed effort to repeal and replace ObamaCare, according to a new poll. Trump's numbers have dropped 4 points in a Morning Consult Politico survey out Wednesday. 46% approve of Trump after the American Health Care Act's AHCA demise, down from 50% in the same poll last week. 50% of respondents now disapprove of Trump. The first time more registered voters have disapproved of the president since Morning Consult Politico began tracking his job performance in January. That's up 6 points from last week. GOP leaders pulled the AHCA last Friday amid intra-party feuding. The legislation's failure marked a major setback for Trump and Speaker Paul Ryan, who have vowed to repeal and replace Obamacare. Trump voiced optimism late Tuesday that a deal on health care remains possible despite last week's outcome. "I know that we are going to make a deal on health care," he said at a White House reception. "That's such an easy one. I have no doubt that's going to happen very quickly," Trump added. "We have all been promising it, Democrat, Republican, to the public." Morning Consult Politico conducted its latest survey of 1,991 registered voters via interviews from March 24 to 25. It has a margin of error of 2 percentage points. Key conservative rep on health care plan. "Let's get out those regulations." A founding member of the House Freedom Caucus says the group of conservative lawmakers has specific goals for any legislation to repeal and replace Obamacare. "Let's get out those regulations," Rep. Jim Jordan, Ohio, said Wednesday on CNN's New Day. "Let's do all we can to lower premiums for the American people. We've always been focused on those regulations, which are driving up the cost of premiums," he told host Alison Camerota. House Republicans on Tuesday said they are not abandoning the goal of repealing and replacing Obamacare despite the failure of the legislation last week. "We're going to get this right, and in the meantime we're going to do all of our other work that we came here to do," Speaker Paul Ryan, told reporters. House Republicans were unable to rally together and pass the American Health Care Act amid intra-party divisions. President Trump on Tuesday also expressed confidence in ultimately repealing and replacing former President Obama's signature health care law. "I know that we are going to make a deal on health care," he said during a White House reception. "That's such an easy one. I have no doubt that's going to happen very quickly."